Hi Bruno, this is Lexi with Wix Customer Care. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up what we call a list page. I'm not sure how familiar you are with dynamic pages, so I just want to show you the different aspects that we have available so that if you have any questions, hopefully this will cover it. And again, just to reiterate, this is not your actual site. This is just a sandbox version that I've made for myself to play with and just make changes to that won't affect your actual site. So what I'm going to go to now is we're in the editor. I click this icon, which is for CMS. I'm going to go to your collections, and we have our 4 collections here. So in this case, I'm just going to choose our Wix example. And you click these 3 dots, and I am going to choose Add a Dynamic Page. So you see here we have a couple of options. We have Manage Item Page, Blank Page, Item Page, and a List Page. So we are going to be making a list page in this scenario, so I'm going to choose this one. However, if you were to choose a blank page, it would also create that as an item page. So you have to choose list page if you want it to be a list. None of the other options will work for that. So I'm going to go ahead and choose this. And when I do, it's going to automatically connect the different fields that we have in here. All right. Sometimes it creates. And okay, so it did create itself. So now I'm going to go here. And yeah, so we can see that it has created, it's attached everything. So this is pretty simple, a pretty straightforward setup as far as getting this. Just to show you how this works is I'm going to choose our repeater, and I'm going to choose this little icon for CMS. This is going to pop up here. So we can see our image is connected and our title is connected. I will show you more so how to do that with the item pages themselves. And then the button here is not connected, but what we're going to do is connect this to the individual page for each of these products. So the list page is pretty straightforward in regards to how we have it managed for you. Now you can change this if you don't like this button, if you want this, if you want to include the OS, if you don't want an image, things like that. We can modify this page. We will also add filters to this page for the filtering by OS and searching by model, but I want to wait to show you that later just because filtering gets a little odd, and there's a couple of places that we're going to apply filters, so I think it'll be easier to just do those in a separate video. Let me know if you have any questions about this, and in the next video we are going to create what's called an item page. As a note, we are using a repeater here, so any changes you make in one of these repeaters, it's going to affect the rest of them. So here, watch how this button, so we stretch that, and now everything else lines up to match. So the repeater is designed to have a consistent layout within each. Thanks.